Hi, I'm the Maintenance 101 and on this video I'll show you how to rekey your lock. First you will need a keying kit. I will leave a link under the video description. First step is to remove doorknob lock from the door. Step 2. Remove the lock spindle. To remove the lock spindle you might need to press the lock spring using the cylinder removal tool. Step 3. Using the cylinder removal tool. Remove the cylinder assembly from the knob. I lost the key for that lock, so I'm using this random key to rekey this lock. As you can see, it does not work right now. Step 4. This step and video is designed for people who has lost their key, so you won't be using the cylinder tool. For this step you will need to remove the spring cover using a small flathead screwdriver. Step 5. Remove all springs and pins. Step 6. Remove the no-plug clip. Now you are ready to rekey the lock. Step 7. Inserting the pins. If you look on the bottom left corner, I have assorted the 6 pins of different sizes for reference, from left being the shortest, to right being the longest. I always use the green pin first. If it's too big then I use pin on the left that is shorter. If the green pin is too short then I use pin on the right that is longer. Pin must be even with the cylinder. If pin is lower than the cylinder, key would not turn. If the pin is higher than the cylinder, the key will not turn. Must be even. Step 8. Once you put back cylinder on cylinder assembly, test the key. It must turn. If it doesn't turn, this means that one of the pins is either too short or too long. Note that you don't have to completely turn around. Only 45 degrees is more than enough. Repeat step 7 if key does not turn. Step 9. Insert the top pins. Usually you should use the flat short pins, but you need to be very accurate with the other pins matching the cylinder level. For this reason I prefer to use the shortest pin with round top. It's the one on the very far left. I use those pins as top pins. Step 10. Insert the springs and the springs cover. Step 11. Insert the knob plug clip. Step 12. Test your key once again. Try to pull out and push back in. You can apply lubricant to make it work smooth and easier. Step 13. Insert cylinder assembly to knob. Note that the cylinder assembly can be upside down depending on the door. If it's upside down, remove the cylinder assembly from the knob, turn it and insert back on the knob. Step 14. Insert the spindle. You are all set. Now you only have to put back the lock back on the door.